I'm back again. This is the continuation of the previous stream that I did. Apparently, when I signed off out of frustration, I was just about to shut my laptop off, and I was like, "Oh, why is this thing not working?" So, out of frustration, I just ran it again, and voila, it worked. I don't know what I did, but the same code that we've been trying for so many hours on end that it wasn't working. Suddenly, when I stopped streaming and I ran it to run. So as you can see, I got this message now here that has been created. So I went ahead and checked my database and it's there. So I don't understand why for some reason it's not working. For reference sake, it's this code that finally worked. The one that we did with ChatGPT. I didn't do anything. The one that we just did, I just did the same to just run it again and somehow it works. So I don't know. In my experience, sometimes it only does that when the sessions in the browser is still keeping like remnants of the previous data. So maybe that was what was happening. So when I closed the browser, I opened it again. It worked. So yeah, the code works now. But we will need to fine tune it because this message is gonna have to go. This was just a debugging thing. It's gonna have to go. And also that the master pass has been generated. The master user has been generated. And the all the information is there, but it created an additional table which I didn't ask for. I didn't ask for. Okay, I don't know what that is. Tenant counters. I don't know what that is. I really don't know what that is. So I need to find out what that is. I need to find out what that is. Tenant counter. So that would be probably in the create tenant.py here. So search tenant counters or counter. What is that? Create if not the tenant counters. I don't know what that is. I didn't ask for to create tenant counters. Yeah, I didn't ask for that. So um with this, we will streamline this a bit. We'll streamline this a bit. First of all, we're going to remove the tenant counters. We don't want that. I don't know what that is. We don't want that. So I'll go like um first let me delete this. Let me go ahead and delete this record. Delete that. Delete record. Then in this one as well. Tenant counters, delete that. I don't want any record like that. I don't know what that is. This is the over elaboration I speak about. Sometimes you ask for something, then it gives you more. I don't want that. So I'll write that to my database. That then I'll again come back here. Now that I know that that works for the create tenant py, it's working. So I'll go like edit the create tenant py so that it only creates the tenant table. I don't want tenant counters. Also, in the tenant HTML, remove the notification it gives you. It should just give you a small pop-up that tenant has been created. That's all. Honestly, that's how it is. Sometimes you get to a point of frustration, you stop, then suddenly you come back. I've been in situations where you've worked on a code extensively for hours on end. You don't get anywhere. You just out of frustration, you stop. You leave it for a while, go to sleep. You come back, you run the same code that was giving you the frustration, then suddenly it's working. Or sometimes you step away for a while, you come back, you see something that you weren't seeing before. So sometimes it's just good to just step away from it a bit. In this case, when I stepped out, I closed everything. I was just about to stand up from my seat. I'm like, why? Why is this not working? Because it's pretty much straightforward. Then I opened it and ran the same thing again, and voila, it worked. So, like I showed you, sometimes when ChatGPT does that, it's just frozen. The code has already been written, but it's frozen. So, what I like to do, I would just go back home, then I'll open it all up again. Go back home and open it all up again. Come to here. And this is it. Yeah, see the code is there. So remove the table counters. I don't want that. All right, all right, all right, all right. So again, like I said, this is a working code now. So you don't want to mess anything up. So you comment it out, you keep it. So that if things go south, you can just go back to the previous working code. This is a version control mechanism. So I put that one here. Then the flash message. That will be in the template HTML. So tenant HTML. Again, this is a working code, so I'll duplicate it and put it here. I don't want any problem. So then this is what I'm working on. I add this toast HTML just before body. Just before body. 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 Just before this body. Here. Add this. Here. Add this CSS style inside the style block. Inside the style block. Style. Then add it just at the bottom of the script. At the bottom of the script. That's the script. After normalize, okay, here. So here. That. Okay. So let's go. Hard refresh. One. So that now let's add the full thing. 1, 2, 3 yahoo.com abc at gmail.com 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 5 Avenue Street. Then testing mic 1, 2. Create tenants. Tenants created successfully. Good. So I come to my DB And let's see what I have there. Refresh it. I don't have anything like tenant counters now. It's still creating tenant for. Oh, okay. Sorry. I almost said a cuss word. So this is it now. Oh shit. Oh damn. Because I didn't use that thing well. It's fine. So emails, everything's there. Phone, everything's captured. Address is there. Yeah. Master user. Why is the master user using KK? Interesting. Ah well. These things can be changed later, so don't bother yourself. But now at least your database is working. The database now is working. So, the database now is working. I will work on this configuration later. So, tenant profile. So here, once this one lists that, if I search that one, I'll do that later. What was the next thing I was going to do? Okay, search. Before that, let me look at the online version and see something. This is the online version, right? I've not done anything here for now. So this is the online version. So this is what I was trying to do. It has database. So let me see if I can create the database here. We'll call it FTC. Set my SQL password. I think I set it up here. That's the password. Then dot. See what that gives me. Has been changed. Hey. Click a database. Okay, so this is a database. Whoa, what's this? Huh. Okay. This part I've never done before. So like I said, I'm trying to previously what I'm doing is I will always have when you come here, it will show my .db file will be here and I just access it. I could do that, but I want to be trying to be professional about it. So I'll look more into this later. So for now, we can end the stream. I just wanted to show you that what we were working on previously, it worked. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.